Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Royal Architecture. Today in this video I am going to speak about one of our 19 years old home vertical extension and renovation project which is located in Hongasandra, Bangalore. This home was 19 years old G+1 structure without columns and beams. The client's goal was to add 2 more floors for rental income. At Royal Architecture, we designed a safe, modern and a practical solution for vertical extension by introducing structural reinforcements called columns and beams, efficient space planning and modern amenities like a lift. For every old home renovation or extension project, we follow a step-by-step process. The first step is the site inspection and the customer discussion to understand the client requirements and assess what is structurally possible. The second step is the concepts and alternatives. We explain our clients the feasible options in simple terms in our first meeting. The third step is 2D drawings and 3D views. We will provide design clarity with visuals showing before and proposed transformations. The fourth step is the material selection. We will guide our clients to choosing finishes during the design stage itself. The final step is 3D view walkthrough, presenting the home transformation with chosen materials for better visualization. Since the existing home had no columns and beams, our first step was to design a structural safety system for the vertical extension. New columns and beams were added strategically to support the 2 additional floors. We explained this process to our client in detail to give them confidence that their old home was safe and strong enough for the extension. A lift was incorporated for the owners and the tenants to ensure the ease of access to all the levels. A decent sized balcony was also created in the first floor to accommodate the lift access. We created 2 rental houses in the second floor extension. The first house is a 1 BHK unit featuring a decent living area, an open kitchen and a bedroom with an attached bathroom. The second house is a 2 BHK unit featuring balconies for the living room and one of the bedroom. To ensure proper passage access, we extended the setback area. Are you looking for old home renovation, vertical and horizontal home extension, structural renovation, bathroom renovation and interior design? Please call us today. Thank you.